Your lesson essential question is, how can we use multiplication stories to describe multiplication facts? So today we're going to be talking about how to write our own math stories or our own word problems that go with specific multiplication facts. So let's say that our fact is 3 times 6. We can think of 3 times 6 as equal groups. So 3 times 6 would be 3 groups of 6. That's when I start to think, what could I write about that I could make 3 groups of 6 of? Randy has 3 packs of 6 buttons. How many buttons does he have? So here's my 3 groups, the 3 packs, and then there's 6 buttons in each pack. So my equal groups show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each group, and there's 1, 2, 3 groups. 6 plus 6 plus 6, or 3 times 6 equals 18. I could also think of it as an array. So my columns show 3 and my rows show 6. I need to think of how I can make 6 and 3 in an array. Eliza planted 6 lilies in each of 3 rows. How many lilies did she plant? So there's 6 in each row. There's 3 rows. Row 1, row 2, and row 3. And again, the answer is 18. We can also draw a bar diagram. A rabbit eats an equal amount of carrots each day for 3 days. Here's our 3 days. 1, 2, 3. If the rabbit eats 6 carrots each day, how many carrots does it eat in all? So on my bar diagram, I separated it into 3 days. We know the rabbit eats 6 carrots per day. So 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18. So my total is 18. You can get as creative as you want when you're writing your own word problems. You just need to think, how can I make equal groups of a specific number?